All right, so I'm making this video because somebody demanded for price action tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys a very easy way to analyze the market using price action, to catch spikes using price action. All right, it is very easy. Okay, I needed to give you the most easiest because I want to be educating even people who are just starting for the first time. If somebody who is just starting today should be able to understand how they can take advantage of uh the markets, the charts, the candlesticks, and all of that to be able to find themselves good trading opportunities, good trading entries to catch spikes for the boom markets. Okay, be boom 1000, boom 300, boom 500. This is actually boom 300 right now. Myself and my VIP members, we are on it, and we've caught some spikes already. All right, so that's it. So I'm just going to be explaining exactly how I came up with the decision to buy this market, to try to catch spikes on this market. Okay, and trust me guys, it is really easy. I just need you guys to pay attention, watch this video till the end, and you'll be able to take something out of this, especially for that person who needed to see price action videos. This is one of them. All right, I know I've been showing you guys more of indicators lately, and I try to bring up indicators that are very simple and very effective so that beginners, because yeah, I really want to be able to enlighten a lot of people who are just getting started, right? Those of you who are already in the business and understand it to an extent, and you want to advance your skills, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number on the description of this video, so you can reach out to me on WhatsApp and probably just enroll in our mentorship program, which would take you from your whatever level you are right now to advanced level, and of course to become a profitable trader, a professional trader. Okay, but for this video I want to show you guys how you can take advantage of support and resistance and come up with of course combine it with candlesticks analysis and be able to decide a good trading opportunity. Okay, so this is the 4 hours time frame. First of all, yeah, you always have to be on the higher time frame to know what the market is likely to do in a bigger scale, right? So on the higher time frame, the 4 hours time frame, which is a very significant time frame, I like to highlight the areas where price usually go back up from whenever it comes down. Remember, you're trying to catch spikes. You're trying to catch spikes, and this time around you don't want to depend on any indicator. You want to be able to see the market with your naked eyes, okay. So first thing you want to do is see where the market is going to. All right, see where the market is going to, and obviously the market had come all the way down to this level where it usually reverses from. You can see that whenever price comes to this level, it usually goes back up, like what happened here and what happened here and what happened here. All right, sometimes it just might drop below that level and still probably pull back up, because that level is that was another spike. Let's go to a lower time frame. You see that we just caught another spike just now. That was another long spike. I need to update my VIP members. So of course I've already given them the targets. This is our first target, which is we're almost there, and this is our second target. Okay, we don't want to do too much. I think yeah, okay, that was not another spike there. So you want to be able to see that on a higher time frame the market is already pointing to the direction that you want to be going to, right? You need to always wait for the market to give you a direction. So the price had come all the way to this level, and if you keep back testing, you see that area is where price usually goes back off from. You see those areas I'm pointing at. So if you see this happen up to like 4 or 5 times or 6 times, right? If you see that price usually goes back from a particular area for like 4 to 5 to 6 times, then that area is solid, and you want to you want to highlight that area so that you won't forget it. You want to mark out that area. You can use horizontal line, you can use your trend line, you can use your whatever tool you are comfortable with to identify that area. And then the next thing you want to do is switch to lower time frames and observe that price had also been doing the same thing on the lower time frame. All right, price had come to this level on the 1 hour time frame, and it started going back upwards. All right, so when price started going back upwards from here, all right, you see it started spiking around this level, it kept going up. All right, this was my entry. I needed to wait to see that price would break this little rejection around here. All right, this rejection around here is very significant here. You don't ignore anything when you're looking at the candlesticks. All right, so I needed to be sure that price has started rejecting. I started had broken the rejections around here, and then that's why I made this entry here. So after you've seen that the market direction is to the upside, of course you want to be buying if you want to catch spikes for the bull market. So you want to be going to the upside with the market, and if you want to be catching spikes trading the crash market, you want to be going to the downside. That means you want to be selling. All right, you want to be selling. So since you've noticed that price is at your support level on the higher time frame, price is also at what is it called, price is also going back upwards. It's pointing at the upward direction. This is for boom markets, don't forget that. Price is pushing to the upside, is going to the upward direction. You need to allow price to lead you, right? You don't tell price where to go, you don't tell the market where to go. You need to always allow the market to lead while you follow, right? So here, obviously, price had dropped all the way down here and I started going back upwards. This movement here was not enough for me to be sure that the market is going to move this far upwards, right? So I needed to give it time, like I said, while studying other trying to see that the market meets other of my requirements before placing a buy entry. So switching to lower time frames, you can still see that there was more of the bullish pressure in the market, and price had this was that rejection. I told you guys, I showed you guys on the 4 hours time frame. You see what happened here. This is a solid place, this is a very strong point. So price having broken this place on the 15 minutes time frame, broken beyond this level, and having retested that level, that now gives me a good trading signal. Okay, so price having broken this level, I don't think I met it at this. If I had met this particular candlestick, if I had met it during the time of my trade, I'm sure I would have taken the trade immediately this particular candlestick closed. All right, so I met the market around here, and that's why I took the trade just around here. This particular candlestick would have given me, having broken this particular place, yeah, this would have been a good entry for me. But yeah, price actually retested that place, that this area, these rejections, right? Price retested that place and went back up. All right, that gave me the confidence to take this trade, and you can see it is spike upon spikes upon spike upon spikes, and we have been in good profit since we entered this trade. All right, you have been in good profit since I entered this trade. So this is very simple. It's not so difficult a thing to do. You just have to understand the principles. And let me quickly recap. The first principle is you having to see the market on a higher time frame. You see that the market is going to the direction that you want to be going. You want to be catching spikes. That means you want to be buying. So you have to be sure that the market is actually going upwards. You want to see the market buying at that time, right? You want to see the market buying, so you go with the market, you go with the trend. You don't want to go against the trend. Okay, if at all I had met this market selling, let's say when I open the chart, when I check the 4 hours time frame, I notice that there is much of bearish pressure, there's much of sellers that are dominating, and price is going down, still is not going up. Nothing would prompt me to take a buy, to place a buy position, right? Nothing would make me want to buy when I've seen that the market is going downwards. All right, but having seen that price had gone down for a while and then had gone to the area where it usually reverses from, okay, that is what prompted me to, that's what piqued my interest in the market. Yeah, that's why I was interested. And then I now had to switch to lower time frames to see that the candlesticks are giving me more of the buy options, right? The candlesticks on the lower time frames, from the 4 hours time frame down to as low as 15 minutes, they are pointing to the upside, right? All of them are pointing to the upside. They are just, going back upwards from that particular zone. Okay, so this was what motivated me to look at this market as a buy market. And then, of course, the candlesticks also prompted me to place the buy position, and we're in good profit. So it's very easy. It's not so hard to handle. It's not so hard for you to do. It's not something that you need to have a degree first before you can do it. You can do it by yourself. You don't need to go to school to learn this. Okay, you can practice from just watching my videos on this channel, and you can practice till you are perfect and till you are good enough. Okay, if you also need a mentor who can guide you from whatever level you are right now to a professional level, then you can reach out to me. All right, my contact is on the description of this video. You can also go to our website www.southsideforex.com to have more information. All right, so I'd like to hear from you guys. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me where your challenges are. Drop your comments, and tell me what you want. That's another spike right there. Although it has not gotten to the previous high where we were. I expect more though. All right, so I was saying, make sure you drop a comment. Tell me what you want me to talk about on my next video. Tell me where you have challenges and you would love me to address publicly. Also, you can join our mentorship class to have more in-depth training and learn to trade every financial market by yourself without the help of anybody. All right, so reach out. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet. It's very important. Do that and share these videos to as many people as possible, so that they can also learn from what we post here. Okay, see you guys on another video.